Hey everybody, in this video we're going to discuss the map method of arrays. The map method executes a provided callback function once for each array element and creates a new array. Here's an example. Let's create an array of numbers. Let numbers equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to use the map method of this array numbers, and the map method will square each element in this array and create a new array. Let's define a square function. Function square. We need at least one parameter, element. We will return math, use the power method, pass in our element as a base, raised to the power of 2. This is our square function. We will pass the name of this function, square, as a callback to the map method. And this will create a new array, so let's define a new array. Let squares equal to, then I would like to invoke the map method of my numbers array. Numbers.map, pass in my callback of square. And then I would like to display the elements of squares. I'll do that with a print function. Function print element console.log element. And I will use the forEach method of my squares array. Squares, forEach method, pass in a callback of print. Let's take a look at the elements of squares. Yeah, each element from my numbers array was squared and added to a new array. Squares, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Hey, for fun, let's create a cube function. Function cube. We need at least an element parameter. Copy this line, but change 2 to 3. Element to the power of 3. Let cubes equals numbers.map cube. Cubes for each method pass in print as a callback, and all of my original numbers are now cubed and stored in a new array, cubes. 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. So yeah, everybody, that is the map method of arrays. It executes a provided callback function once for each array element, and it creates an entirely new array. So yeah, that's the map method of arrays. If you would like a copy of this code, I'll post this in the comments section down below. And well, yeah, that's the map method of arrays in JavaScript.